below. Number 4 is Creality Ender S1 Plus 3D Printers. Introducing the incredible Creality Ender 3S1 Plus, the ultimate 3D printer for carbon fiber enthusiasts. With its exceptional features and innovative design, this printer takes your printing experience to a new level. First off, let's talk about the larger printing size. The Ender 3S1 Plus boasts an impressive print size of 1.8 x 1.8 x 1.8 inches. Say goodbye to limitations and embrace the freedom of creating larger models or multiple small parts simultaneously on its spacious build surface. Get ready to unlock endless possibilities. One of the standout features is the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. Bid farewell to manual leveling troubles. With its advanced 16-point automatic bed leveling system, the Ender 3S1 Plus ensures precise nozzle printing height adjustment on the hotbed. This not only saves you time, but also guarantees impeccable print quality. This printer incorporates a high-precision dual Z-axis system to enhance printing quality further. Utilizing dual lead screws and motors achieves smoother and synchronized movements, minimizing the chances of lines and ridges on your prints. Prepare to be amazed by the exceptional detail and flawless finishes. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.